This is wall-facing handstand hold. We don't really care how you get up there. You can do a cartwheel. You can walk your hands up the wall. It doesn't matter. In this position, we just want you to be nice and stacked over your shoulders, holding yourself in place. This is wall-facing handstand hold. This is a modification of the wall-facing handstand hold for those of you who have difficulty either getting into or staying in the position. We can get a box, a chair, a couch, a coffee table, just make sure it's stable. Throw your knees on it, and then we're gonna shoot our hips straight back so that we're as vertical as possible. You might start, show them what it might, you might start in this position, and over time we're gonna work our way into getting more and more vertical. When you're able to get to here, before you progress to the wall, we're gonna recommend that you do this with your toes on the box and press up into that same pike position. This is going to be more difficult. It also requires some hamstring and hip flexibility, so if that's what's limiting you, by all means give it a shot on the wall. This is a modification for wall-facing handstand hold.